G'day guys, I've been using this for a while. This is the pgytech card holder, and the good thing about this is it holds like 4 SD cards and at the same time 4 micro SD cards, and it can also hold 2 SIM cards along with the pin here to remove the cards. Remove the SIM cards from iPhones. What's nice about this one here is it's handy, it's compact, and the thing is it also has a card reader. Like you can put cards here, the micro SD and the SD cards, and you can just pull this out and you have a cable. So you can use it when you're in the field, when you want to copy files, then you can always just bring this and copy it to your computer. Or what I do is when I get home, I just put on my SD cards here, go to my editing station and copy the files there using this. So it's very handy. The only problem is I've been using SD cards most of the times before, but now I'm using CF Express cards, which are the faster cards for filming. Yeah, but don't worry about that. Disregard the bird because they've been there for a while. But yeah, disregard the bird. I have these ones here. This is the pgytech, the new one, and they can house like CSFX CS Express A cards. The birds like this got me distracted. It can hold the CF Express A cards, and it can also hold 4 SD cards. 3 SD cards and 4 micro SD cards. It can also hold like 2 SIM cards along with a SIM card remover for the iPhone. And yeah, it's pretty handy. It's a bit bigger though than the old one. But the good thing about this is it also has the card reader, and the card reader could accommodate SD cards and the CF Express A. So it's 2 card readers here. The only problem is it can't read the micro SD cards, so you have to use this one here. Again, disregard the birds. It's quite annoying, but it's the only time I can film this. So as you can see, the size is it's really massive, but for me it works. Only thing I noticed is that it looks like a magazine for a weapon or something, but I know it just looks like that. And yeah, so that's it. I'll test it out. If there are any problems with this, I'll report to you guys. But I think this is a pretty good item. Yeah, that's it. I'm not sponsored or any way with these stuffs. I purchased it myself. So myself. So I purchased this myself. So yeah, yeah. Not sponsored anyway. No one exchanged. That's it.